Let's make a gin and tonic. Welcome to Let's Make a Cocktail. My name is Bob, and behind the camera we've got Jason. Say hello, Jason.
Hello.
And neither of us are professional barmen, although our mantra is, if we can do it, you can do it. And so today we are going to start with the simplest, with a really classic cocktail, which is the gin and tonic. So what you're going to need is a tumbler glass. Now this one's been sprayed and put in the freezer, so it's nice and frosty. It's a brilliant way to serve the drink. You're going to need an ice cube. So we've got this beautiful big one here, which we are going to pop straight into the glass. We are going to use Gordon's dry gin, which is this country's biggest selling, Jay?
Yes, most definitely.
Yep, okay. So, we're going to do 50 ml up to the top, straight in, spill a little bit, never mind, pop that back. And the tonic we're going to use is the London Essence. That's 150 ml, which makes that a straight 3-to-1 ratio. Okay. Pour that in gently. Pour it in gently because if you pour it in like a maniac, you're going to lose all those lovely bubbles. And I do have somebody in my life who used to do that, but she doesn't anymore. Not because I've killed her. Last thing we're going to need is, that's right, isn't it?
Definitely the lime.
Is the lime, okay. So the lime, we're going to create a wedge, and the wedge we're going to use, that's a lovely sharp knife. We're going to use that wedge to squeeze a little bit of lime in there for the flavour. And then just to garnish it, what we're going to do is create a little round or a wheel. It's a wheel, isn't it, Jay?
It's a wheel.
It's a wheel. It's a wheel. Give it a little slice. And let's see if I can... I'm rubbish at doing all this garnishing stuff.
Looks all right to me.
That's all right, isn't it?
Looks all right to me. Look at that.
There we are.
Perfect.
So, there you go. That is your gin and tonic. It's that easy, governor. So it only remains to give it a little taste. So let's try. I mean, we all know what gin and tonic tastes like. That's lovely. Jay, do you want to try some?
Yeah, why not?
Go on, there you go. He doesn't like being on camera. He doesn't mind his arm being on camera. How's that?
Yeah, lovely.
Is that squeezing the lime in makes a big difference?
I think the lime does help.
It does.
Okay. It does help. I mean, it makes it nicer.
It does, and I can vouch for that. If you've got any views on the video, please leave a comment below. Remember to drink sensibly always, because we always do. And thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.